One is there. One is here. And did I show you? Passion fruit. This is 1 tree. I have some more tree. So I'm going to show you. Look what I'm getting. Sorrel. Right? This cherry tree come out with so much blossom. And God bless what is on it. This one here too. The birds. I have quite a few here. So I'll just pick to make juice. I don't have a lot. Just get the place clean up. And it's like it never cleaned before. Like it never cleaned before, you know. Anyway, let's go. I have my papaya here. And I have a peach tree. This peach tree never fail. Gongo peas. Yeah, man. So I have some corns there. The sweet corns are not doing well. But, you know. And I have my papaya. My papaya. And I also harvest some callaloo. So right there I have another papaya and I have a plantain right there. She's doing her thing. She's doing her thing. Let I go right under. Right there. Oh my God. And I have some callaloo here that I harvest this morning. And see it? Cucumber. Anyway. Banana. Oh nice so. Look here. It's coming on, guys. And I have another banana right here. So, and I soon flip the camera. My tomato. Yes. So I have passion fruits. They are doing their thing. And the great Banabis. Yeah, my camera need to clean. And here, let I find one. Alright. Sugar apple, sweet sap. Yes, and the cane is right there. And this banana base tree, no fail, you know, you ever bear. Ever. I'm telling you. Ever. As a child, I used to hate this thing so much. But now, listen, it's nice with rice. Yeah. Look at this tree here. Them all spoil because guess what? I forget to come and pick. I have so many that spoiled. But that's okay. That's okay. So, because the amount that I got from this tree. So what I would do now, I would just take this that spoil and throw it in the soil over here. So I'll get some more. Right. And that is a tomato. So, yeah. And I have my papaya. My greenhouse is right there. I'm just going to show you my view and then I log off because I'm going to work this morning. And I have some pigeon peas right here. Yeah. And the watermelon are doing great so far. And my view is there. No boats this morning. Boats are there, but I'm not seeing any right now. So, peace and love, guys. I'm out.